Hello Ganofins, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to C Programming Tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you about the string. So what is a string? Group of characters can be stored in a character array. String in C language is an array of characters that is terminated by /0, which is called null character. There are two methods by which you can declare a string. First is by char array, second is by string literal. Let's talk about the syntax of char array. Declaration of string by char array. So let me tell you the syntax of that char array. First of all, you have to give the data type name, which is character, then ch, whatever the variable you are using, type that variable name, then here equals to curly brackets, now semicolon here, and now here you have to type the characters which you want to declare in your string. At last you have to type this last fucking thing, this is null character. It is important, most important thing, because without this it will show some misbehavior if we don't write this /0 at last of declaring your character. Let's talk about how to declare a string by string literal method. You have to just write this char, now just inverted comma, and you have to write a single word between them. This is so simple. String literal method. The string literal method is simpler than string by char array method. Let's see an example of these two both methods, string literal and string by char array method. Now as you can see here, these are the header files stdio.h, conio.h, and this is your void. Main is the function, this is the data type character, this is the variable, first variable ch, and here I am using that char array method, and here as you can see I typed that characters of a hello world and followed by that 0 null character here, and this is string literal method where I directly typed that hello world here, and this is a simple character which I want to print to show you the function of a character data type. Let's now use the printf command statement. Character value is %c. %c is used to print the character data type. So here we use %c, we use %d for integer data type, and now this printf /n is used to print the message in the next line. Char array value is %s ch here, and %s is used to print the string in C language. So always remember this thing. String literal value is %s/n ch2, and this ch2 is for this string literal method. Now this is get ch for showing the output on your computer screen. This clear screen is used to clear the output of previously run program. So now not wasting time, and let's fucking run the program. And now as you can see, character value is h, char array value is hello, string literal value is hello, and this was just a very simple method. You can also use gets and put function. Gets is used like as scanf function. These gets and puts are used when you are using a string function in your program. That's why gets and puts function are used in your program. This is it for this video, and if you have any question or queries regarding these things, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for getting updates.